It's really their first time out. They might have gotten out one other time, but this is the first time that they've all come out. I was sleeping a little bit and they've all gotten out of the box by themselves. I don't know if they get back in or not yet. I don't think so yet, but we'll see. They'll probably need some help getting back in the first time. Who knows, maybe not. They can go up and down, get back in from the weaning box to the whelping box, and they're not pooping at all in the whelping box at all. They're peeing but not pooping for a couple of days now, maybe 3 or 4 days, I guess. I've got a new absorbent pad under that one too. Helps keep it out. I change it every 2 days with that pad underneath it, every 12 hours. It's like a breeder's pad under that fleece there. Green, purple, yellow, hot pink, and I think there's no color there. And I've also started feeding them every 6 hours. This will be here in about a half hour. It's about 11:30 p.m. on Thursday evening, and I started the 6 hour, went to the 6 hours just earlier this evening, first time, and this will be the second feeding at 6 hours. So giving them all mush before I let them nurse, and so hopefully in about a week they'll be pretty much weaned. Hopefully, about 5 weeks. I'm hoping, maybe not totally, but close. Pretty neat. Won't be long when it warms up, they'll be going right outside. Just throw this in for an extra video. I'll still do one this weekend. Thanks for watching.